Welcome to ZipERP, Smart Business Management. In ZipERP Dashboard, you can click on the company. After that, you can change or edit the company. Click the Day Start button to begin your day. Once activated, your Day Start status will appear at the top. Tap the icon to view your daily attendance. From here, you can start or end your break, and also mark the end of your day. Below that, you will see the Need Your Attention, where you can quickly access your important tasks and updates. Each card shows a summary, and by clicking on a card, you can view the complete list of related items. After that, view your transaction list based on the selected filter. Tap any transaction card to see detailed information. As you scroll, you can view the Leads overview for total leads with stage-wise distribution, fresh leads and new leads, check daily updates in today's update and HR announcement, and manage your team details. At the bottom, you will see the Zippy AI icon. Click on it to open the chat screen. Ask any ERP-related questions to get quick answers and guidance. You can go Menu section, where you can see Sales, Purchase, Inventory, CRM, ESS. You can change Grid View to List View. You can go to Profile, where you will find options such as Customize Navigation, Financial Year, and Change Password. In Customize Navigation, you can select menu items and save them. After that, they will appear in the bottom section. In Sales Order, you can see All Order List. You can swipe the order and choose Delete, Edit, and Print options. Select the order to view its details. In the bottom section, go to the Amount Breakup section to see amount details. Also, use the More option to see other actions. In ESS section, click on Attendance Regularization, where you can see the attendance list. To create a new request, click on the plus icon. After that, select the date, and the attendance details will appear. Here, you can update attendance and add punch entries. You can also add multiple punches if needed. If you want to apply for more than one day, click and select multiple dates. Once done, review the attendance details and click on Submit. Your request will be sent for approval. After going back to the AR list screen, tap on any AR entry to view its details, including date, time, and punch entries. Tap on the workflow icon to view the AR approval workflow. In the ESS section, select the Claims card to access your claim request list. To create a new claim, click the plus icon at the bottom to open the Create Claim Request screen. Fill in the required details and tap Add Claim Request to add your claim entries. You can also edit or delete claim details if needed. Add a claim title, and once everything is completed, click Submit to send your claim request. ZipERP, powering smarter business decisions.